everyone, so it's me again, Melay, and now I'll be giving you more tips for IELTS exam. So today we are going to discuss about reading tips. So I will be giving you 11 reading tips, but before we proceed, okay, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing this video sa mga magti-take din ng IELTS para makatulong. So let's start. Number 1, read the title and the heading of the text. Kapag binasa mo kasi yung title and yung heading, magkakaroon ka na ng idea kung ano ba yung topic dun sa babasahin mo. So that's topic number 1. Please read the title and the heading of the text. Okay. Number 2, read the question, then look for the answer. Hindi mo kailangang basahin lahat-lahat. Okay? Now, I'll explain that later. But for this tip, number 2, okay, read the question, then look for the answer. Please focus on the questions itself. Okay? Number 3, all the questions are arranged in the appearance in the text. Magkakasunod yun. Okay? Kung yung unang tanong, okay, na nabanggit, yun yung unang sagot na mahahanap mo sa text. Kaya magkakasunod lang yun. Number 4, check the first 5 questions before reading the first paragraph. Basahin mo muna yung first 5 questions. Intindihin mo mabuti kung ano ba yung hinahanap, and then try to look for the answer. Okay? Again, mag-focus ka sa question. Hindi ko naman sinabing huwag kang mag-focus, pero mas bigyan mo ng pansin o bigyan mo ng focus yung yung question, okay, rather than the article. Now, let's proceed to number 5. Do not read the whole article before answering. Please, it's a waste of time. It will waste your time. Please read the questions first before reading or before looking for the answer in the text. Wag mong babasahin yung whole text. Please, kasi masasayang yung oras mo. That's tip number 5. Tip number 6, okay? Underline or highlight all the important information such as name, okay, numbers such as date, okay, or yung mga data, okay? Please highlight mo siya or guhitan mo siya, okay? It will help you find the information better, okay, or faster. Number 7, don't panic if the topic is unfamiliar to you. Okay? Kasi we cannot be familiar with everything naman. Okay? Kasi gaya nga ng sinabi ko before, meron nga kasi yung minsan kahit na teacher ka, ang itatanong sa'yo is about medical field. So please don't panic kapag hindi mo alam yung topic. Mag-focus ka sa tanong at lahat ng sagot ay nasa article mismo. Okay. Number 8, spelling. Again, spelling is very important, and please be aware of your plural and singular and the verb tenses. Yung past tense, okay, present tense, at saka future tenses natin kung minsan nakakalimutan natin. And please be aware of our plural and singular. Okay? Kasi yung iba, naglalagay ng S kahit na hindi naman dapat may S. Yung iba naman, hindi sila naglalagay ng S kahit na dapat naman na may S dapat siya. Please, okay, practice. Okay, please study your plural, singular, and verb tenses. Very important yung tatlo na yun. Okay, number 9. Practice reading quickly. Okay, to finish what you're reading and for you to have a lot more time to review. So, kailangan mong magbasa ng mabilis. Hindi yung article lang babasahin. Okay, but please try to read. Kailangan mong basahin ng mabilis yung question. Okay? Kailangan mong masagot lahat yung question ng mabilis. Kasi, okay, kapag ni-review mo na yung sagot mo, okay, trust me, meron kang makikitang mali. Kaya kailangan mong mag-practice, okay, na sumagot ng mabilis, magbasa ng mabilis, at i-review mo ng mabuti yung mga sagot mo. Okay, number 10, practice complicated articles, okay, from BBC, New York Times, and a lot more. Dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayo ditong Manila Bulletin, okay, and yung mga dyaryo, okay. And I'll be putting some helpful resources na naglalagay or nagpo-post ng articles, English articles with English questions about the article, okay, below. So please go and check. So again, practice reading complicated articles. So don't worry, I'll be providing you some helpful resources. Now, last one, number 11. Practice reading exams at home, okay, and set a limit or time limit, okay? Try mong magbasa ng article, sumagot sa mga questions, and then mag-set ka ng timer. Very important yun and very helpful. Try to switch on your timer and do the practice exam. And kung wala ka namang tiwala sa resources na ibibigay ko, okay, you can search for reading exams or practice reading tests sa internet. Okay? Tungkol sa IELTS. Now, I'll be providing you tips. Okay, so I'll be giving you 3 tips. First tip, it's not an English test. Again, IELTS is not an English test. Okay, though it's in English. You can find the answer in the text itself. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, okay, lahat ng hinahanap dun sa tanong, okay, ay nandun sa article. So please don't panic. So, kailangan mo lang maghanap. So, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, please highlight those information that can be helpful, such as names, places, okay, and dates. Yeah. Then number 3 tip is widen your vocabulary. Again, please read your dictionary or your thesaurus. So again, that is all for today, and thank you for watching my video. And just like what I told you, please like, okay, the video, please share it to those people who needs help, okay, who is going to take IELTS, and please subscribe to my channel for more tips and for more information. Again, this is Melanie, and have a great day to you all. Bye-bye.